Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to crop an application window, making it easier for you to focus on the specific area you need and enhance your overall productivity. After cropping, you can move the cropped section to any location on your screen, making it easier for you to focus on the specific area. So, let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two options on how to achieve this using free software, and I'll guide you through each method step by step, so be sure to stick with me until the end of the video. First, I'm going to show you how to achieve this by using PowerToys, a free software tool developed by Microsoft. So if you haven't already, go ahead and download a free copy from the official Microsoft website. And then we'll dive into how to use it to crop an application window with ease. After downloading PowerToys, go ahead and install it on your computer, and don't worry about changing the installation path. The default path is perfectly fine, and the installation process is straightforward and easy to follow. Just click through the prompts and you'll be up and running in no time. In the right-hand corner of your screen, click on the PowerToys tool icon to open the main window, where you'll find a range of useful applications and tools, such as the advanced paste feature that allows you to paste text as plain text. To launch a specific application, simply press the corresponding shortcut. For example, Windows plus Shift plus C will start the color picker. With the color picker tool active, simply hover your mouse over the color you want to pick, and it will display the color's hexadecimal code, RGB values, and other details, making it easy to identify and use the exact color you need. Another useful tool in PowerToys is the Always on Top feature, which allows you to keep a specific window on top of all other windows, even when you're working with other applications. So for example, if I launch the Calculator app, and with the Calculator window active, I press Windows Ctrl+T, the Calculator window will be pinned to the top, staying visible and accessible at all times, which can be really handy for referencing or monitoring information while working on something else. PowerToys has many other features to offer, but for the purpose of this video, I want to focus on the crop and lock application. So let's dive deeper into how to use this feature to achieve the desired result. For this example, I'm using a website that shows world clocks, but the website is full of distractions that can take your attention away from the clocks. However, by using the lock and crop feature in PowerToys, you can get rid of all the unnecessary clutter and focus solely on the clocks. One of the best parts of using the crop and lock feature is that you can move the cropped window to wherever you need it on your screen and also resize it to fit your specific needs, giving you complete control over the layout. One thing to note is that the cropped window may not update in real time when the main window is minimized. But there's a simple workaround for this issue. You can set the window transparent. Like this, the cropped window is still updated.
Wow, it's very nice.
I've noticed that the crop and lock feature in PowerToys may not work with certain applications, such as the resource monitor. And for those of you who are facing the same issue, or who may not want to install a nearly 400 megabytes application, I'll show you another solution just as effective. So let's move on to the alternative method for cropping an application window. You can achieve the same cropping functionality with just a few lines of AutoHotkey code, and the best part is that AutoHotkey is a free open-source scripting language that's incredibly lightweight and easy to use. Before you can run the script, make sure to install AutoHotkey from the official website, and I suggest installing both version 1.1 and version 2. Having both versions installed will give you the flexibility to run a wide range of scripts, including the one we'll be using to crop application windows. Before running the script, let me show you what it does and how it works, so you can understand the code and see how it achieves the window cropping functionality. So this is an AutoHotkey version 2 script, and in the first part, we have a section responsible for running the script as administrator, which is necessary for some of the functionality to work properly, and this line specifically checks if the resource monitor is running. And if it's not, it starts the application. So the script uses the winwait command to wait for the resource monitor window to appear, and once it does, the window caption is removed to give it a cleaner look. Then DWM rendering is disabled to prevent any potential issues with the Windows graphics. And finally, the winch region command is used to crop the window to the desired size and shape, effectively trimming away any unnecessary parts of the window and leaving only the essential content visible. Let's run the script and see the window cropping in action. Okay, as you can see, the script is working and the window is being cropped, but you'll notice that you need to adapt the winch region settings manually to get the exact crop you want. This means adjusting the coordinates and size of the region to match the specific area of the window you want to keep. It's a bit of trial and error, but once you get it just right, you'll have a perfectly cropped window that shows only the information you need. As the caption is missing, you won't be able to move the window by dragging the title bar. But don't worry, I'll show you a workaround for this. One way to move the window is to use the keyboard shortcut Alt+Space, which opens the system menu, then select Move from the menu, and then use the cursor keys, left, right, up, or down. That's it for today. I showed you how to crop an application window using PowerToys and AutoHotkey, and I hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you liked the video, consider give it a thumbs up.